With a reallocation of money across Stormont departments, education is to get more to ease its budget pressures. The Department of Finance has also announced funding for people diagnosed with hepatitis C or HIV after receiving contaminated blood. Our business correspondent Clodagh Rice reports.
Education funding has been under serious pressure, with more than 450 schools unable to balance their books last year. Today's announcement means an extra £19 million to help meet the teachers' pay bill and £10 million towards special education. Those working in schools say this is just a drop in the ocean.
The money's welcome, but it's not going to be enough. We now have 15,000 extra children in our schools compared to 2010-11. At the same time, we have 500 less teachers. The number of special needs children has increased dramatically during that time.
Money is also being allocated to help those people affected by the contaminated blood scandal. Victims in Northern Ireland hadn't been getting as much support as those in the rest of the UK.
Payments for survivors here are lower than in England, and the New Decade New Approach document includes a priority to bring about parity in financial support. Today I am providing the Department of Health with an additional £1 million to increase financial support for people affected by the contaminated blood scandal.
This move has been welcomed by those affected.
We hope that will ease the burden for some people who haven't been able to work, who cannot rely upon insurance policies, cannot rely upon pensions if something happens to them. So it gives people a wee bit of extra.
About £1 million will go towards taking forward recommendations of the Historical Institutional Abuse Inquiry. None of this is new money. This reallocating of funds happens every year. But about £6 million of it came from the Treasury to plan for a no-deal Brexit. But with the UK set to leave the EU on Friday, that money can now be reallocated. Clodagh Rice, BBC Newsline,